What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, today we'll be going over top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. First one on here, we have ticker sign INUV. So they had a week high of 95 cents, but overall ended the week at $8 or at 82 cents. So they are beginning a bearish downward trend. We can see they currently start to go down. The price has gone down below the moving average 100. So for next week, going to be looking to see if they can retest this 84-cent level, then retest 87-cent level. Then they will have to go and retest this 95-cent level. So that is ticker sign INUV. Next, we have ticker sign ISR. And ISR is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. They have a week high of 98 cents. So 98 cents was their week high, ending the week at 94 cents. So not too far from their week high. We can see right here that they will have to go retest that 98-cent level for next week. But overall bullish, moving average 10 above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. They did have a small little rally after hours, a 2.01% rally. So definitely going to be looking at them to see how they perform, and definitely going to look at them for an early morning mover on Monday. Next, we have ticker sign GTE. GTE is bearish, started to go down some. They have a moving average 10 that is below the 50. Even though it's above the 100, it's still below the 50. So we're going to say that they are overall bearish. VWAP is above moving average 10, so it's a positive note on them. They did have a week high of 71 cents. So we're going to be looking to see if they can retest that. But first, they'll have to retest the 68-cent level of the moving average 50 for next week, and then had a downward pattern ending at 66 cents for today. So that's ticker sign GTE. Next, we have ticker sign GSV. GSV is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50, but above 100. They did fall down today, going to 57 cents. Overall, having a week high of 61 cents. So going to be looking to see if they can retest that. They will first have to retest the 60-cent level, but overall ending the day at 58 cents, having a small little rally after hours, but it's still below the moving average 100 and the moving average 50. Next, we have ticker sign CFMS. CFMS is bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 50. Looks like it's starting to curl back though. 92 cents seems to be where it bottomed, so it didn't reach all the way to the moving average 100. It kind of bounced up before that. Had a week high of 99 cents, so they will have to retest that as well. But first, they'll have to retest this 95-cent level. Overall, though, looking very healthy on this one, ending at 95 cents today. So a nice little run up on them, but going to be looking to see them retest this 95-cent level for next week. Even though they're ending at 95 cents, going to see if they can retest this and break through and then go back to 99 cents for next week. Next, we have ticker sign NBY. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. We can see VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on both of the indicators. We can see right here 83 cents was their week high. Seems to be a peak-to-peak value. So definitely going to be looking at that 83-cent level. Overall, ending the week at 82 cents, so not too far away from the 83-cent level. Going to see if they can retest that on Monday when the market opens. Now, this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can sign up today. And also bear in mind, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes. So just bear that in mind when looking at it. I'm not telling you what stocks to invest in, just giving you an idea of what's out there in the market. Next, we have ticker sign NVCN. They are bullish as well. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. Seems to be some stagnation or oscillation going on with this name. VWAP and moving average 10 seem to be oscillating in these values. So 99 cents was their high. If we can see right here, the bottom being the 96-cent level. So kind of a 3-cent deviation between the high and the low, where they oscillated between most of the day today. They bounced off the 96-cent level, which is the moving average 50, to end at 97 for today, but they will have to go retest that 99-cent level for next week. Overall, going to be looking to see if this VWAP can shoot back up, and if the moving average 10 can shoot up as well to go and retest that 99-cent level. Next, we have ticker sign XPL. XPL is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. They did have a little small rally after hours of 71 cents, where there was their close, but they will have to go back and retest this 78-cent level, which was their week high. So, going to be looking to see if they can do that or if they're continue a bearish downward trend. But having this little small spurt of momentum definitely helped out the name overall. Next, we have ticker sign RMTI. RMTI is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. We can see a convergence between the moving average 10 and moving average 50 and 100. So basically, the purple line and the yellow line crossed. But overall, moving average 10 still below both of those metrics. I'm gonna look to see for next week if they can go retest this $1.07 level, which seems to be their week high. Overall, ending on a positive note though, going up to 97 cents. They will have to retest this 99-cent level, which seems to be where the moving average 50 and 100 are. Next, we have ticker sign SYN. For the last one, they are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50, but above 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on that note. They will have to go retest this 62-cent level, so definitely going to be looking at them for next week. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what stocks you guys are looking at for next week. While you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.